How to fix 1xbet's phone number problem. Check your network connection and your Wi-Fi. Sometimes network connection error and slow Wi-Fi also causes the issue. The next thing is check if 1xbet servers are down or not. Sometimes 1xbet servers goes down, that's why they don't send you the code to verify your phone number. The other thing is if your phone number is already linked with another 1xbet account, you cannot use that same number to create a second account, okay? You can only create one account using one number. So you need to unlink that number from whichever 1xbet account you have, otherwise you cannot create another one. The next thing is if you have tried to receive or verify the same phone number multiple times, 1xbet is going to think you are a bot or you're trying to hack someone's account. So they're going to temporarily disable your verification code. So you need to wait for 6 to 7 hours or sometimes 24 hours and you should receive your verification code again after doing that. And if it still doesn't work, just come into 1xbet.com's website and try to send a verification code from there. Sometimes there's a bug in the app which causes the issue, so using the website version usually fixes the problem. If it's still not fixed, you can just scroll all the way down, click on customer support and contact their support, which is going to help you fix this issue as well. Hope you understand. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.